Welcome to Lingua Latina, Chapter 13, Grammatica Latina. So let's translate this together. We have the fifth declension now. And the fifth declension, the endings are, they're mostly feminine nouns, but dies, the example here, happens to be masculine, although most of the time they are feminine. So we have eis, ei, a, eis, erum, ebus, eis, ebus. Those are the endings to memorize. So let's translate here. Day, the day is the shortest, brevissimus, before ante diem. So on the, it's the 8th day before the calends of January. This is how they wrote their dates. You read that in the story here. They would put all of the words would go into, when you have ante diem, into the accusative, and so I'll explain this. So ante diem, before the octavum diem, before the 8th day. It's actually, the way you translate this, 8 days before, but literally before the 8th day. 8 days before the calendas januarias, the calends of January, which also goes into the accusative plural, because it's actually January's calends. So calendas is always calendai is a plural noun. And when you put it of the first declension, so calendai, calendarum, calendis, calendas would be the declension, or the beginning of it, and January's calends is how you translate it. So the shortest day is the 8th day before the calends of January. Mane, in the morning, the morning is the beginning of the day. There's the genitive. To the first day of January's name is the calends of January. And so here's the dative form. The name to the first day of January. From that day begins the new year. In the month of June, the days are long. In the month of June, the days are long. June has 30 dies, has 30 days. The number of days is 30. The names to the first days of the months are, and so again we're going to use the possessive here. The first days of the months' names are the calends of January, of February, of March, of April, etc. So calendai Januarii means the 1st of January. Calendai Februarii, the 1st of February. When you get to a third declension noun, like apriles, you end up with, or aprilis, you end up with calendai apriles in the third declension nominative plural, etc. From these days, the months begin. Okay, so like dies is declined meridies, another masculine noun. Likewise, some feminine nouns like facies and glacies, ice, and a few other feminine nouns. Mane is an indeclinable neuter noun. So indeclinable means qui declinari non potest, which is not able, declinari, to be declined. So you can't add endings to mane. Okay, let's look at the superlative. We've seen the comparative before with ior and ius, meaning more of something. And now we have the most something. So altissimus, the highest. Longissimus, the longest. Brevissimus, the shortest. And these are adjectives of the first and second declension. So they agree with their nouns in case, number, and gender, just like those other adjectives do. So superlative. Etna is a tall mountain. It is taller than the other mountains of Sicily. That mountain of Sicily is Sicily's altissimus, tallest. The Via Appia is long. It is longer than other Italian roads. That Italian road, or that road, is Italy's longest. Ire, to go, is a short word. Verbum breve est. It is shorter than other Latin words. That is Latin's shortest, brevissimum word. Okay, altior, longior, brevius are comparative. The others are superlative. I'll see you in the exercises.